Hello all, welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 4th February current affairs. And these are all the topics which we are going to cover today video. First one is Jal Jeevan Mission Extension. Jal Jeevan Mission, which was launched in the 2019. This is the government initiative in India that aims to provide clean drinking water to every rural household through tap connections. Now the mission has received increased funding for extension until 2028. This is the centrally sponsored scheme. The central government provides funding and support, whereas the state government contribute to funding and implementation. Coming to the progress of this scheme, significant increase in the tap water access since 2019. Over 12 crore families were covered. And the other one is many states and union territories have achieved 100% complete coverage. The key objectives of the Jal Jeevan Mission are: this provides functional tap water connection to all rural households, ensures community participation, especially women, in water management, focuses on sustainable water source and quality. Coming to the benefits of this scheme are: clean drinking water reduces waterborne diseases, saves time and energy for rural households. Second one is Gyan Bharat Mission. Gyan Bharat Mission is an initiative by the Indian government to preserve and promote India's rich manuscript heritage. This mission was announced in the 2025-26 Union Budget. Key objectives of the Gyan Bharat mission are: this mission identify and catalog over 1 crore manuscripts across India, protects these manuscripts from damage, deterioration or loss, make these manuscripts available for research, education and cultural enrichment. And this also contribute to showcasing ancient Indian knowledge. This initiative builds upon existing efforts like National Manuscript Mission, National Library of India, Asiatic Society of Bengal, and this addresses the vast collection of Indian manuscripts in diverse scripts and languages. That's it about Gyan Bharat Mission. This is a significant step towards preserving India's manuscript heritage, promoting cultural preservation, knowledge sharing and national pride. Next one, Samudrayaan project. This is an India's ambitious deep ocean exploration initiative. The Indian government has allocated 600 crores in the Union Budget 2025-26 to further the Samudrayaan project. The core goal of the Samudrayaan is to develop manned submersible vehicle which will be capable of diving to depths of 6,000 meters into the ocean. Submersible vehicle means small underwater craft designed to operate while being submerged. Small underwater craft. This project is run by the Ministry of Earth Science, aims to explore biodiversity and mineral resources like magnesium, cobalt, copper and nickel, contributing to the blue economy, and to research chemiosynthetic biodiversity in hydrothermal vents and methane seeps. Methane seeps are the places where the methane gas escapes from seabed. And the blue economy is nothing but the sustainable use of ocean resources for economic growth. That's all about the Samudrayaan project. The Samudrayaan project is a significant step towards exploring the ocean's unknown regions, unlocking its secrets and harnessing its resources for India's economic growth. Next one is the Very Short Range Air Defense System, nothing but VSHORADS. This is an cutting edge air defense system developed by DRDO, which is Defense Research and Development Organization. VSHORADS is a type of weapon system designed to protect against aerial attacks at close range. The key features of the VSHORADS it is a man-portable, such as it is lightweight and can be carried by a single soldier and making it highly portable, and designed to neutralize aerial threats at very short range, typically up to 6 kilometers. And it is effective against low-flying aircraft, drones and other aerial targets. Next one is Second National Gene Bank. The Union Budget 2025-26 announced the establishment of Second National Gene Bank. The first National Gene Bank of India is established in 1996 and it is managed by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. This bank collects and preserves the germplasms from all over India. Germplasm is the treasure trove of genetic diversity in plants. It includes all different varieties of crops, fruits, vegetables and their wild relatives. Each variety has unique genetic traits that can be valuable. And coming to the gene bank is a type of library. But instead of books, it stores genetic information of plants. This information is contained in the things like seeds, pollen or tissue samples, collectively called germplasms. Next one is CSIR-IICT, which produced biohydrogen from the food waste. This is the Indian Institute of Chemical Technology. The researchers have created a new process for producing biohydrogen, which is hydrogen derived from the biological sources such as from food waste. A key feature is specialized reactor designed to maximize the amount of hydrogen produced while at the same time minimizing the release of greenhouse gases. This is important because traditional methods of waste processing can sometimes release methane, a potent greenhouse gas. This innovation offers a dual benefit: waste management and clean energy generation, which in turn supports to net zero targets. The team has also developed a more sustainable method for converting carbon dioxide into a valuable chemicals like ethanol and acetic acid. Both these achievements contribute to achieving net zero targets, which aim to balance greenhouse gas emissions with greenhouse gas removal. And the next one, there are several initiatives have been introduced in the Indian Union Budget 2025-26. One of such is Gramin Credit Score Framework. This has been developed by the public sector banks to improve rural access to credit by accessing creditworthiness and supporting microfinances and key sectors. This initiative complements existing credit score and will be integrated with the Swamitva scheme, which aims to map land ownership in rural areas using drones and plays a crucial role here. Linking the Gramin Credit Score framework with Swamitva data will provide lenders with variable information about land asset, a significant factor in assessing creditworthiness in rural India. The budget also allocates funds to transform India Post into major logistic organization. This will involve upgrading infrastructure, technology and training personnel. This transformation will improve the delivery of goods and services in rural areas, facilitating trade and boosting economic activity. It will also create new opportunities for rural communities to connect with markets and access essential supplies. And this also provides support to NCDC for cooperative sugar mills and lending. The National Cooperation Development Corporation plays a vital role in supporting agricultural cooperatives, including sugar mills. This will benefit sugarcane farmers and rural economy in regions where sugar production is significant. Strengthening these cooperatives will improve their efficiency, enabling them to provide better prices to farmers and access to credit. Coming to the last one, the UK is taking pioneering step in fighting against online child sexual abuse by criminalizing the creation and distribution of AI generated sexual abuse images. UK will be the first country to criminalize AI generated child sexual abuse images. Home Secretary Cooper denounces this crime as vile, highlighting their role in grooming and manipulation. This landmark decision comes in response to disturbing surge in such images, with reports of thousands found on a single dark website and a 10% increase in the most severe cases. And the UK is calling for international cooperation. That's all for today. These are all the important current affairs of the 4th February. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed Study with You Mahi channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you found any useful information in my explanation, please like the video and also share with others also. Thank you everyone.